South Korea is currently pioneering the construction of the world's first floating city.
This ambitious project aims to address the urgent challenges posed by rising sea levels. As the climate crisis intensifies, coastal regions face the threat of becoming submerged. The region, with its extensive coastline, is particularly vulnerable to these environmental shifts. The country's ambitious response is the development of Oceanics Busan. Oceanics Busan is designed to adapt and thrive as sea levels continue to rise. The floating metropolis could eventually accommodate up to 100,000 people. This pioneering concept could inspire other coastal nations to develop similar solutions. The project aims to be the world's first full-scale sustainable floating city.
It is expected to be ready before the upcoming decade, aligning with the global exhibition.
Busan hopes to host the World Expo, showcasing this groundbreaking city concept.
The initiative could inspire global efforts to adapt to rising sea levels.
Innovative architecture will prioritize sustainability and resilience against environmental changes.
Data on rising sea levels highlights the urgency of such projects.
Global sea levels have already risen significantly and continue to climb.
Millions of people live near the coast, making them vulnerable to flooding.
The UN warns that a vast majority of megacities are at risk.
The future looks bleak for many coastal areas worldwide. Hundreds of millions are projected to be affected by flooding by 2050.
Entire nations like the Maldives face the threat of complete submersion.
Busan, South Korea's second-largest city, is one of those vulnerable areas.
With over 3 million residents, it is a critical hub for the country.
Historically plagued by flooding, it was selected for this innovative project. The city's economic and shipping infrastructure is at significant risk.
The proposed floating city will feature multiple modular platforms.
A pilot project will test the viability of this living lab. If proven successful, it could expand to support more residents. Floating platforms will connect to the mainland with sustainable infrastructure. The project uses marine-friendly materials to filter polluted port water. It will be powered by renewables, including urban farming systems. Beyond housing, it includes research areas studying climate solutions. This global effort is backed by an impressive team of experts. Architecture and engineering firms are collaborating on this complex project.
However, major technical details remain unknown at this stage.
Planning and feasibility studies are still in the early stages. Crucial questions remain regarding the complex engineering required.
Construction is expected to begin in the coming years.
Busan's bid for the World Expo will be a key milestone.
If proven successful, it could expand to support more residents.
South Korea is prepared to invest significantly in this project.
The budget is substantial, reflecting the project's scale and importance. Renovating port infrastructure is also a key part of the plan.
While the vision is promising, lack of technical details is concerning.
Engineering and ecosystem impact plans are still undocumented.
Building and maintaining this city without harming the environment is challenging.
Overcoming these technical hurdles will be a significant challenge.
What systems will provide energy and manage waste?
The construction process must avoid damaging coastal ecology.
Concrete answers are still lacking at this point.
Load. Oceanic Busan represents a bold gamble in urban development.
It aims to lead the way in sustainable floating cities. Other nations are watching this project with great interest.
Floating on water might seem like science fiction, but the concept is not new. Previous initiatives have explored expanding cities into the sea.
Most lacked enough detail to be realized.
Oceanic Busan stands out due to its partnership with the UN. Floating on water might seem like science fiction, but the concept is not new.
It is similar to other planned water metropolises. It has already sparked discussions in other threatened nations.
Countries like Malaysia and Japan are considering similar concepts.
But is building massive self-sustaining cities even feasible? Experts believe we have the technology to build long-lasting structures. The challenge is selecting a protected coastal location.
This avoids complex legal issues in international waters.
Pulling this off will require innovative solutions in maritime law. What laws will govern a floating city?
And how will nations extend sovereignty and property rights?
These are some of the legal and political complexities.
Only time will tell if Oceanic Busan overcomes all its hurdles. The project's success will set a crucial precedent for humanity.
It will shape how we address the growing crisis of rising sea levels.